Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be a review of Elemental Knives Tiger Tooth Stiletto Flip Knife. So if you open the box, you basically get like instructions on how to open and close it. It's not really necessary. And then some card says, hey, this isn't a toy, it's not for kids. So this is the stiletto itself. And inside, as usual, you get a carrying case and a little chamois for like polishing it. Put all this away. So the knife itself has gold trim and has this kind of like wood inlay. They say that this button is fake, of course, because it doesn't do anything. In a real stiletto, you might, like a flip knife, you'd be able to press this button and boom, it just pops open. But of course this one you can't. And this inlay looks like wood, at least in the pictures it did, but it's actually just like a plastic veneer with like a wood pattern on it. And the way it works is basically there's a kind of like a sawed edge here that gives you some grip, and then all you have to do is push down on it and it just flips open like that. Boom. Easy, one-handed, and then even closing it you could do it with one hand if you want. There's a little safety latch you need to push in. That's it. Boom. It's not that easy, but easy enough. The pattern is a tiger tooth. So you can see it kind of has like these tiger stripes on it. And if you look at the butterfly 2 version, you can see it's the same. It's just that these are a little bit smaller, a little bit more white, because the knife is smaller, but it's basically the same. It's a great knife. It's really handy. I mean, the problem is you can't carry it around in public, but it's a really beautiful knife. I just love the gold. And in terms of sharpness, you can see that the blade depth is not as much as the butterfly. So, you know, it gets thick a lot faster or sooner than that one does. And because of that, it's not as sharp. So you can see here, like, even with like little to no force, it's not really cutting through, right? Like it's not doing much. While this one, with little to no force, like just really, I'm just literally just letting it, the weight of the knife do it, right? See how the weight of the knife just cuts right through it? But this, it doesn't do as well. It just doesn't handle as well, so you can barely get through. It is sharp though at the tip, so it just goes right through. So this is pretty much it. A lot of people ask, like, is it illegal? Yeah, I mean, it's a one-handed flip knife. It's definitely legal. But on top of that, the blade itself, as you can see here, is just at 4 inches. I mean, if they count just the sharp part, yeah, it's under 4 inches, so you can argue that it's legal. It's about 3.5 where the actual cutting part is, but the full blade itself is 4 inches. So that's probably a problem. And just like any other illegal knife, like these other ones, it's legal to own in your own private property, but you can't take it out into public. So if you need to transport it, you need to like put it in your trunk of your car in a box, and otherwise you can do whatever you want with it in your house. So that's pretty much it. Here's a closer look at the details. If you have questions, and you see the wood inlay. I don't worry about cutting myself as much with this as I do the butterfly. And that's pretty much it. If you have questions, leave it in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. The price on this is $49. It's currently sold out, but hopefully they'll come back with it. And that's how it looks like in the case. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.